Hey guys, if you need help managing your inventory, I have this really great spreadsheet template that should help you a lot with your reselling business. So I'm going to show you how it works. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. I'm at savvyandthriving.com and here we go. Okay, so I'm just going to start here from the beginning and then I'm just going to highlight everything and hit the delete key. Okay, so we're going to just say that we're going to buy something. Say we purchased it today. So we're just going to, if we're in Google Sheets, we can double click and choose the date. You can choose from the drop down box what category your product is, and then say it was a t-shirt from the best brand and you purchased it from the thrift store. And then you can choose from the drop down box what size it is, what color, and then if you want to add a SKU to it, and then how many did you purchase. So say you found 10 shirts, and then right now you have 9. It costs you about $5 a piece, but you're going to resell them for say $19.50. It's going to calculate your profit margin and your total value of the product. You can put the date it last sold. So say it was 4/1/25, and then you can see how many days. Let's do this because we purchased it. Let's try this again. So let's say we purchased it in January, and then it sold in February. So it was in inventory for 20 days before it sold. It's also going to calculate how many is in stock, and then what your total value of your inventory is. So that is like your sales price. That's going to calculate everything from column M, and then how much it cost you. It's going to calculate that for you. If you wanted to change any of your categories or the sizes or colors, you're just going to choose the drop down arrow, hit the edit button, and then you can change this. If you wanted to change what it's already there and just keep, the number of categories, you could just change the type to t-shirts. And then if you wanted to add another item, you just click add another item. So let's just put miscellaneous, drop down box, hit customize, and then you can choose the color from there, hit OK. We're going to scroll up and it's going to apply to the range. And then we want it to apply to the range to all the way to the last row that we have. So colon C998 and hit done. It will add the category for you. So now you can see miscellaneous is in there. If you needed to add more rows at the bottom, so say we're going to add 10 rows, we're just going to hit 10, hit add, and then highlight everything that's in this row, and then hit there's a little blue dot, and then just drag it down. And then just make sure that, so say now we have it down to row 1008, just make sure that your formulas reflect that. So you'll have to change that here, 1008, hit enter, click this, make sure it goes to 1008, and then here to 1008. And then now it will add up everything for you. Okay, so that's how it works. If you have any questions, this is a really easy sheet to use. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm at savvyandthriving.com, and so is the sheet. I also have a complete business bundle for resellers that you might want to check out as well. Have a great day.